Hey there, this is Sam from GHL Code, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create this type of animated gradient color headline on our GoHighLevel. Okay, so this is basically headline, but you can apply this code into any text element into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so you can see there is the animation, okay, with the color, gradient color. So let me show you how we can create this inside our GoHighLevel. Okay, so first of all, when you log into your members area, GHLSaaskits Code Snippet members area, select the animated gradient text color, this one, and then you will find the code as well as the instruction how to use this. Okay, and then select the code, just copy it, go back to your GoHighLevel page editor. Okay, in this case I already added the headline, so okay, so you need to use this CSS selector. Okay, so but for that, let me go to the custom CSS tab from the settings. Okay, and I just added the code. Let me delete and add the code. I just copied from the members area and then hit save and copy this CSS ID. Okay, so when you select the text you want to give the animation, okay, the text effect, then click advanced and you will find this CSS selector. Just click this icon to copy and go back to your CSS, custom CSS, and then replace this ID. Okay, just replace this and you're good to go. So save it, and you can see here is the animation started. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you, you can change the color. Okay, so if you like to change the color, here is the option. Okay, this is the color code and here is another color code. We have two different color code here, so all you just need to replace with your color code that match with your brand, or if you like to have this default color, then that's fine. Okay, so this is for this video. So hope you find this helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.